I feel like I'm for the interview for a job.
Two hands to heaven, my whiskey high. I only got the bottle.
This video is sponsored by Garvee. Thank you so much, Garvee, for gifting me this dining room table set.
Good morning, YouTube. It's time for Brene. I'm back with another house project. Yeah, we back with another one. Today, we are gonna do something that I've been in need of. If you guys don't know, I'm Brene, and I've been on my journey with like resetting, restarting a brand new journey. I've recently moved to Dallas, Texas a few months ago, and I'm just getting to the point where I can make my house into a home. We've been on a nice road here, but we're only able to still get the living room and the dining room area done. But you guys know that I have been missing one piece. So let's get into it. So excited! We've been here for months. Dining room table. I actually had a dining room table in my cart to check out a few months ago, but they sold out the table that I wanted, so that just didn't go too well. Now this is what's gonna make a mess. But we have all of our belongings here. So let's get into the video. Here is everything we will be using. Here are the assembly instructions and the tools. You guys know that if I don't do nothing, I'm gonna read them instructions, baby. Reading is fundamental.
If you're interested in knowing what Garvee is, I will have all the information listed down below in my description. Also, don't forget to use my discount code at checkout for an additional 10% off using the code TANA10. Now let's go ahead and elevate my house into a home.
And it looks like we have an extended warranty. There's an extended service protection. Oh yeah, this is awesome. So I'm gonna make sure I save this because I made it. Have the table. And why in the world would I do that? Okay, so we have the table. I can say that they definitely packaged everything fairly well. So let's move this out of the way. We just have just one place to have a soup. They gave me 2 placemats. I'm going to use them for right now because, part 2 will be me decorating my table. So we are going to use those for now. Chairs, so I know for a fact that these are the chairs. These are the seats. Table legs. Backrest of the chair. The other chair. matches all of my marble stuff in my house. Like, it just matches everything. This is one of my first brand collaborations, and I'm just so excited to see where this goes after this. This is super exciting and super fun. I'm grateful. I'm super happy. I'm super thankful. I'm super grateful that Garvee reached out to me to be a helping hand. And we are on the road of growing, guys. We are literally on the road to 12K. We are at 11.7K subscribers. Like, y'all really watching me, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. I just swept this floor before I started recording, so I am not about to move all this stuff again. Alright, we have a pretty simple, easy project today, hopefully. Cross my fingers. But here are the instructions, so let's go ahead and get started. Open my bag of tools here, and this is step 1. So screw B all goes into step 1. Alright.
And just FYI, Garvee is an online home improvement and furniture store that offers a wide range of products for every room: living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, and more. They focus on providing stylish, functional, and affordable furniture and home essentials. Whether you're looking to furnish a new space or upgrade your current one, Garvee has modern designs that fit a variety of home decor styles. Many of their products are available with fast shipping and easy assembly, making them a convenient choice for budget-friendly home transformations. And I also do want to say, putting these legs together was a little bit difficult. I thought it was going to be a really simple task, but I think I was kind of overthinking it. But once I got the motion going, it was pretty easy to do. I want to say it probably took me about 20 minutes to get the table done. Once I got the flow of how the legs were supposed to go, the table was fairly easy. I am super excited to have a dining room table. You guys know that we've been getting some things together, so I've been without a table for a while, so it's dope to finally have one.
And we are going to have to move to the couch because setting up the chairs are a little bit too difficult. I need a little bit of leg stability here, so give me a second.
We are finally at the halfway mark of being done with this whole dining room table set. Finally able to get the chairs together. So basically I am just lining up the holes with the chair legs. Fairly easy to do. And thank you so much for supporting our journey on relocating from St. Louis to Dallas, and just basically me doing my budgeting with style videos, trying to make my low income apartment into a beautiful home. I really appreciate all you guys' support, and I do have much more coming. Also, my saying, if you're still here watching, what are we leaving in the comments, y'all? What we leaving? What? A green heart. Show us some love. Let us know you're still watching. And while I have you here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You don't want to miss the process. You don't want to miss anything. So click the bell too.
I'm so glad you can fit You know how sometimes you screw these things in and you gotta keep taking it out and going, taking it out and going around, taking it out and going around, taking it out and going around. Yeah, I don't have to do that too much with this. I believe this is going to tie in everything really nicely. You guys know that I am just in the process of starting over and furnishing my home with affordable pieces and just budget living with style. And it's been good to me. I'm on this road of a new journey with YouTube. I mean, this is crazy, y'all. But let me tell you, I don't have one complaint about my YouTube journey, my YouTube growth, my YouTube story. You guys are amazing, and thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting us and, checking up on us. We really appreciate it, and we just want to reciprocate the same thing. I keep getting caught. This will be a short video today, nothing too strenuous. Just want to get this video out to you guys. Let's go ahead and grab the second seat. Across. And then we're gonna go across. Just like that. Get some stability for the hammer. Use the second one. Now we have the back part of the chairs. Finally have something great. We have our little table. It's so pretty. And this is all that we need for right now. These are the placemats that were given to me. We probably changed these because you guys know my aesthetic is gold and white, not really silver and white, but I'm not too against it for right now.
Yay, and we are all done. So the original price for this table was $200. They marked it down to about $116, which is awesome. So if you're looking to find something small, go ahead and use that discount code for a ton of 10 for an additional 10% off. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video because I really enjoyed filming it. And go ahead and leave me a green heart in the comments if I still have you here at the end of the video. Thanks again, Garvee, for reaching out to me to give me a table. We surely need it. And you guys have a safe and beautiful Thursday. Until next time, bye.